So, ladies and gentlemen, we start our ceremony this evening with the Queen Victoria Commemorative Medal. This award recognises truly outstanding business as well as CEOs who use their private sector skills and creativity to help the community overcome social or environmental problems. This is an acknowledgement of them embodying the principles of corporate social responsibility in their business strategy and operations. Today, ladies and gentlemen, this esteemed award is presented to Walton Ekundayo Gilpin, who is the Managing Director of Rokel Commercial Bank from Sierra Leone. This award is received by Millicent Cole, who is the Head of Corporate Affairs and Customer Service.